Are you in Christmas panic mode because Christmas is right around the corner and you need to come up with some fast crochet gifts that you can make that people actually want to receive? I've got you covered in this video. You're gonna love this. Okay, so if you're like me, then you're probably looking at the calendar and looking at the list of all the people you need to have a gift for this Christmas and realizing every day we're running out of time. And that's perfectly fine as long as we have a plan. And I've actually come up with 13 different categories of different types of fast crochet projects that we can make together and be able to make something that people would want, something that they would actually feel connected with, enjoy, and it would mean so much more. You know, my whole quote is make a memory. Don't just crochet to crochet something. Because if you can make the memory, if you can make the connection, instant hit, totally worth it, and it doesn't have to take a lot of time at all. So these are all just kind of inspirational ideas I'm throwing at you. None of this will work if you don't take into consideration the person you're making the item for, all right? The only way that you're gonna crochet something that somebody would absolutely love to receive is if you take that person into consideration when you are crocheting the item by either thinking of what they're obsessed with, what they love most, their hobbies, their interests. You gotta have that in mind when you are crocheting the item you're crocheting for the person. That way, when they receive the item, they're like, oh, you thought of me. And it instantly creates that memory, that connection, that thoughtfulness that makes the hit gift. All right, are you ready? Let's go ahead and dive in. Number 1, 2, and 3 are for very general gift ideas, okay? So number 1 is beanies or ear warmers. Always a hit from adult all the way to baby. Can't go wrong anywhere in between, beanies all the way. You really can personalize this again with colors. So favorite sports teams, if they like Minecraft or Fortnite, you could add characters on there. If they have a favorite animal like a cat or a dog, maybe make ears on there. If they are very foofy or girly, you could add a very neutral color with a really cute pom-pom on the top. There's a lot of different ways you can go and a lot of different patterns you can try. Have fun with it and definitely keep the person in mind that you're making it for. Number 2 is a scarf or cowl. Here we can create a set if you would like to. They're both gender neutral also. Adults through children. You can have a lot of fun with colors here, fun with fibers, textures, pockets on the ends of them if you want a keyhole in the scarf so that way it can slip through. I have a tutorial on my channel where I show that. You can make it a little thicker, a little thinner. I wouldn't go too thick because we're trying to make a fast project here, but there's a lot of different ideas that you can go with here. Number 3 are fingerless gloves or mittens. There's a lot you can do here, and this is also a great gift idea for men, adults, women, all the way through children. So lots of ideas, lots of inspiration on Pinterest, YouTube, lots of places that you can go to find some cool ideas. Okay, number 4 are games and toys. I had a lot of fun with this category, and honestly, I just have a couple examples. You could do so much more in this category, really get creative. The first example is checkers, another fun game, like board game. Super easy. You just make squares of red and black and join them together. Maybe put a border on the whole thing and then make circles, red and black for the different checker pieces. Super fun, creative, and makes people feel connected, and then you can play a game and interact with each other. All right, something else is stuffed animals. Honestly, so much fun. Stuffed animals, keep them on the smaller end because we're working on fast projects, right? Ring stacker, super awesome for toddlers and babies. Number 5 is keychains. Now this blows my mind because you can make a keychain for virtually anything. And I plan on doing a lot of keychains this year for my family members because it's an easy way to make a fast thing that connects with people. Like my son, he really loves these country balls right now. So I'm gonna make itty bitty country balls and put a little keychain holder thing. These things you can get on Amazon, the little keychain toppers, super cheap. Really. So fast, cheap project. My daughter loves mushrooms. So I'm going to make a little mushroom with a keychain on it. And then my bestie loves pickles and we give her so much crap about loving pickles, but I'm going to make her a little pickle keychain. See, you can really do anything when it comes to keychains. But yeah, keychains, super small project, works up really quickly, and it can be personalized to the individual where they're like, that's hilarious, or that's super cute, or I love that. So easy peasy. Number 6 is the avid book reader. Somebody who's super into reading, make them a bookmark. I mean, simple as that. It can be a simple bookmark or a very detailed, delicate bookmark. I mean, there's lots of options there. There are a cute little triangle that you can slip over the top of a page to dog ear the page. Super fast. Or you could make a book cover to protect the precious book that they loved so much. Number 7 is for the plant lover, somebody who just loves plants and maybe they have a lot of pots around the house or they like to hang a lot of plants from the ceiling. You can make a really cute crochet pot holder to go over their pot or a plant hanger from the ceiling. So many ideas, so many different patterns that you can play with. Number 8 is the person that loves to be in the kitchen. I know I have a couple people off the top of my head I know personally who love to bake. What you could do is make a set. Maybe you could put together some washcloths, some pot holders, some scrubbies. Oh my gosh, when I was at my last craft show, the scrubbies sold so fast. People are obsessed with them. You could even do a towel topper. So you go to the dollar store or a very cheap store where they sell decorative towels. Buy that and just crochet a towel topper that has a little thing flap over the top so that way you can hang the towel from your oven bar or your dishwasher bar. Super cute touch. And if you want to, you can either theme these items based on their kitchen theme, if they do the black and white checkers, if they do the fancy chefs, or if you want to just have it be Christmas themed, do a snowflake or a present or just the colors would be really cute too. Have fun with this. Really make it a thing. Number 9, the cat lover or dog lover. We all know them and they're usually absolutely obsessed with their cat or their dog. Some fun things that you could make for this person would be the cat butt coasters or dog butt coasters. They have a couple different variations on Pinterest and here on YouTube and on Google. If you can choose colors based on the cat or dog that this individual actually has, boom, you've just made a connection to the person. They will laugh. It'll be just that super special gift that made an impression, a reaction on the individual and be super special. You could also make a cat bed or dog bed for the individual or even a cute dog sweater. You know, have fun with it. There's also some toys you can make. A lot of fun. All right, number 10. I am obsessed with coffee. There's some people who are obsessed with tea. You know them. They're pretty all over the place and abundant. If you know the person just absolutely loves coffee or tea, feel free to make them a cup cozy and personalize the cup cozy or make one that's really fancy or really customized to the individual. Again, the colors, the sports team, the interests, the hobbies, their passions, that kind of thing, right? If you want to, you can even add something extra special by doing some Velcro or a button or, you know, bougieing it up a little bit, making it even more special. You could also go even further with fun coasters. There's some really cute matte ones that I've seen that look like little rugs. I think it's called a coffee rug. It's called a mug rug and it's so funny and so cute. So lots of different ideas that you can go there. Then like yoga enthusiasts, we can crochet the yoga mat cover or yoga mat bag. It's very mesh, works up really quickly, but looks really cool and is personalized. And for the yoga person who is carrying their mat or placing their mat somewhere, it just makes it look that much cuter or just more customized, which is really neat. The last two, 12 and 13, are for the people that you just have no idea. Now this number 12 is a spa kit. Now this can be for somebody either male, female, all ages. You can change up the colors. You can change up the soap that you include, maybe make an actual kit. And what I would put in this kit would be a crochet loofah, maybe an exfoliator, square or circle that is for exfoliating. The back scrubber that I have on my channel, that's pretty awesome. You could do a hairband where you put your hair back so your hair is out of your face when you're taking a bath. The idea behind it, just that you handmade these things, is going to feel so incredibly special to this person. Super awesome. Number 13, gift card holders. Believe it or not, there's some people that's what they want. They want the gift card. It could be something that is also just easiest for you to get for this person. Maybe you know this person is obsessed with Starbucks and you're like, you know, I don't know what to get you, but I know you love Starbucks, so I got you a Starbucks gift card. A lot of times people think that gift cards are impersonal, but sometimes that's what the person really wanted, was the gift card, or maybe that's the only thing you can think of is, hey, I'm thinking of you. I know that you love to eat here. I know you love to go there. And I just want to make sure you get exactly what you want. So here's a gift card. But by crocheting the gift card holder, you're showing them that you put effort, you put time into that gift to make it extra personal, extra special. So go that extra mile, you know, and it works up super fast. Another really quick gift. All right, guys, those are my 13 different ideas. I'm hoping that I inspired you, got your juices flowing. That is my goal. If you would just like more crochet ideas, I have a whole playlist of crochet projects that I've already created right here just for you to watch. Let's keep spending time together, hanging out together, crocheting together. I hope you have the best day, guys. And remember, don't just crochet something to crochet something. Make a memory. I'll see you at the next one, guys. Bye.